March ni somni pasari sang ni somni parukani hei Iran hianin United States aircraft carrier USS Abraham Lincoln hi kan kap fule to anti tlat mai hi darkar sari kal ta khan an report ani ola hemi kan entran kan reaction ma hian ta hanti la etsa omdo lo lung ai su nga kan reaction nga lang tu na hian puidon khop mai
Iran saying it struck USS Abraham Lincoln, Pentagon remaining silent, says the warship remains operational. The other aircraft carrier, meanwhile, USS Gerald R. Ford, forced to leave the battlefield, the battle zone, after an onboard fire.
USS Gerald Ford khatsu akir le to ani kha sanchu kang mai chuka kha longa han mo to hianin USS Abraham Lincoln hi lo mani Middle East hian hei Iran lampang hian kan kap fule to anti tlat maya Cencom lampang in an kap fulo wan ron ti direct chia lo ni in alanga amaro chu Iran hian in kap fuengang ma se voile khata chu na pilngal don lo ti kha chu chiang ani chan chu tiang long lien lutuk Iran tan sonin voitam tak an be nuwa chu apil theinari nom voile khata chu na pilngal bik chuang lawang.
So what really is happening on the ground right now with these developments? Our next report breaking it down.
Yes, enge thil theng tak tak tu na hen kan riekang Pui thua chuan
Waves crash.
Hey hi chu a aircraft carrier ni loin ka she destroyer indo lawng
Tension explodes in the Arabian Sea.
hey hi aircraft carrier avahan pui mai Yes.
The US supercarrier faces its ultimate test. Iran boasts it has hammered the USS Abraham Lincoln with missiles.
USS Abraham Lincoln hi kan kap fule to ani an ti ni Iran lampang hian
It releases video of missile launch explosions late the night.
hi chu AI tuna in en tak hi chu AI amaro chu Iran lampang hi chu an kap ve chi ani
But no proof of actual impact.
Mziabera chuanin Iran hianin USS Abraham Lincoln hoizong hianin ka futum hianin missile chun kap hrim shima amaro chu an kap fuchi enge kap fuchi lo ti kha chu a hriat lo ani tuna hianin USS Abraham Lincoln hi an ha thopa ngai na thok thei renga tin heng missile te po hi USS Abraham Lincoln te ang kap futur chuan air defense system palta ngai na zon latuk USS Abraham Lincoln anianga king baka khianin aircraft carrier baka khianin abul hnai vela indo long tam taka omdon ani chung te po chuanin khang missile tam tak lo intercept lo kap thatur khanin an thei don tuk theinan nei don tuk chuwan chuanin Iran tan chuanin ka fu chu achak om viawanga chutiang ani rual chuanin ka fu chu har ve viawang heng Abraham Lincoln te hi chamo
Hours later, CENTCOM breaks the silence only to confirm Abraham Lincoln remains fully operational.
CENTCOM lampang chuanin min kap fulo anti lawa hei takahi min kap fulo anti lawa amaro chu USS Abraham Lincoln CENTCOM mo Central Command Middle East United States Central Command lampang chuanin USS Abraham Lincoln hi an tho thei pa engki mala thok thei vek ani it's fully operational anti thungani direct the win an ron kap fulo min kap fulo anti big mielo halai taka kha mo halai te kha poi mo don nakina.
No denial of the attack. It says the carrier group powers on. F-35 jets roaring off the deck, eyes locked on Iran.
F-35 te an thok thei reng thawani he thila tang hian mo ti chonin hei Hezbollah lampang po hian in Israel hei tun hnaya an na saber ni tur hen tu na hian in an lo be tri mai ani rockets le missile mangin mo Israel hi Iran lampang missile in kap na sa to bok tuna Hezbollah te lampang ti hen an be vereng bok chuanin voida news pakhat kam huwa chuanin tuna hianin Israel hi zeblo chuanin aruk chuanin an mang ang ve de mai theya a chan chu shortage of manpower missing sipaya tang tur kha an mulo chan ti ang zong de khanin news kha omani anin dai lo chan ti ang zong de khan news kha om tlet maya he thila hi chu indo tianga Iran lampangina a pe enge rei tak Iran hian ina indo pui chuanin Israel ta chuanin apoi viawanga he tiang vel hi ani wang emon le chu o United States lampang hianin teng hianin sipai tirlu atum na chan ti te pokhari ru kha chuanin a omani
While the IDF says that 2 more soldiers have been killed during combat operations in southern Lebanon, and this amid ongoing clashes with Hezbollah along the border, bringing the total number of Israeli soldiers killed to 4 since early March, and the deaths come after a series of deadly ambushes, including anti-tank missile attacks by the Iran-backed Hezbollah linked to the war in Iran.
Lebanon laman ni hei chu tuna hianin Israel hianin Lebanon le Iran hi abei kop meka ni Lebanon Hezbollah hawa bei meka tin Lebanon ram chunga hen an lu to in ka ria Israel sipai te himo ti chuanin ta hian ron soya IDF army lacking nearly o sing khat sanga vel in anin dai lewani ti chuanin mi sang khat vel an thitoa Lebanon a hianin mi sang khat vel an thitoa ni Lebanon mi sang khat vel an thitoa ti chuanin mi 1 million vel hi Israel na heti nga be puyan thaka wang hianin munhim lama thiar chu son chu ani to ani ti chuanin Israel sipai te hi anin dai lo na zat hi sing khat sanga ni tam rem khop mai indo na pani an ma chon box ya Hezbollah ho hin ngal don ro pui mai siamo.
Now, Israel's emergency services says that a man in his 30s was killed by shrapnel in a missile strike in Nahariya. Following the attack from Lebanon, and earlier on Thursday, another soldier in his early 20s was also killed in combat.
Mi thi le lhem hi chunia indona hi chuanin omlo thei lawania Israel lampang te po hi nia thi le lhem hi anom ve nualanga ti chuanin thil pakhat le hey Uganda an military chief hianin mo Uganda an military chief hian Israel te chanpuya he US Israel Iran indona aron telve hi tha ati thuron soi chuak thlet mai he thil hi chuanin khovel barak khai khop mai he dar kar nga kal ta le ga hanin he ta po hianin view singa chuanga oma minan ngai ve na ni eng tak nge ti tuna hen kan ria kang.
Uganda's Chief of Defence Forces, General Muhoozi Kainerugaba, suggested that Uganda could enter the ongoing conflict between
kan telve mai thei could enter ati kan telve du mai thei ani ti ni
in Israel and Iran in support of Israel.
Israel laman tangdon Uganda te hi chumo
His remarks come amid raging regional tensions following recent US and Israeli strikes on Iran and subsequent retaliatory attacks. General Muhoozi, who is also the son of Ugandan President
Chief of Defence Force Uganda ani asoy dan sonin we want the war in the Middle East to end. Tuna hian in Middle East indo na hi top turin kan duwa khovel hian in ning to mani but any talk of destroying or defeating Israel mase Israel te ti chiat emo tom tum na shim ma omani chuanin will bring us into the war he indo na hian in min hnuk lu tang he thil hi chuan te ni on the say obviously so Israel an tran ma chu van chuanin Israel ti chiat emo Israel atlom zo ka atran ai chuanin Israel tran pui turin he indo na hian in kan tel veang te ni tat mai ra tel ve le ula thazok mai thei ani chan chu bo ruak so sang lu to ga heta Russia te China ten an om ve renga nin ring ve renga chu van chuanin lo ti lo phot ta mai ula kan riek zelang
Yoweri Museveni said on X, and I quote, "We want the war in point." Plans to erect a statue honoring Yonatan Netanyahu, the brother of Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. Yonatan was killed while leading Israeli commandos during
Israel hianin Africa ram tam tak te hi ram tam tak te nen hianin kung kai na an lo nei thai me mai ni
the 1976 hostage rescue in Uganda. The West Asia conflict has intensified since late February, with continued exchanges of drone and missile strikes involving Israel, US and Iran, as well as impacts across neighboring countries. Despite South Africa accusing Israel of genocide in a landmark case with the International Court of Justice,
South Africa lampang chuan in Israel hi genocide kalpuya anpuani International Court of Justice just khatepon Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu hi thiam lawan chantir heng he ni
many African countries have chosen to remain neutral, with some deepening military and economic ties with Israel.
ram tam tak te chu neutral taka om kha an dua chu tiang ani rol chonin ram than kha chuanin Israel te lampang hi an on to mai ni South Africa lampang chuanin Israel hi an dem thu an ron soi chuak ve thung ani Charlie Kirk apo khan so yani a podcast pakata khan mo I think they're trying to ethnically cleanse Gaza haron the top me Charlie Kirk apo khan je chu Israel te hianin Gaza hianin Gaza mishing zong te hi nuai bo fek an tum ni in kangai ani aron te ni tu da hianin conspiracy theory ma Charlie Kirk te po hi atira sonin Israel than mai khan ya Palestine chungchanga te po Israel a tran over amaro chu thil a hrenem talu to ka chu van chonin Israel tran jong khanin atong chuak du talawa tin Israel atanga donors poisa pek tum tu te millionaire billionaire atang te po khanin poisa te kha adong du lo tran ta a hi Israel lam pang chuanin anma enge Israel tan ala nok sak theido na an hre da wanga tha ani ti pol ten omani chan chu Charlie Kirk hi outspoken maya a influential boxia lar boxia chu van chuan hetiang hianin enge mo sa thawin an thata ni tiang zonga conspiracy theory kal te po tu la hianin o mekani khat Charlie Kirk na Israel chungchang a soizong zong te han ngai tu phei kha chuanin fan ni du mai mele o ti theina tur te po kha atam mai ni amaro chu Charlie Kirk thatu anga kha chuanin CIA lampang kha chuanin tunge kha Robinson tia kha an pu dei ta thunga kha public ina kan hria dan mi zong ina kan la hria dan ani re ani
Israel has been able to maintain strong ties through agreements with multiple other East African nations, including Uganda.
Kami kha apoi mo zuala ni Hezbollah hawin Israel an bein sakhop mel Lebanon atangin ti chuanin Israel lampang hianin Tehran hi an bein sa tapo hianin kanron riek vek lawanga detail chuan Iran hi tuna hianin atharin an bein sa le zuala me mati chuanin Iran lampang hianin aircraft carrier Abraham Lincoln kan bein hi hian tia Sencom lampang chuanin min beilo wan tilawa min kap fulo wan tibok lawa amaro chuan ron se chuanin fully operational USS Abraham Lincoln hi ati thei engkim ala ti thei veke an ron ti ve thokani chuanin Uganda military chief military an sipai ho to pain Israel ti chiat ania Israel atlom ai chuanin he indonaah heng kan tel venga Israel kan tran puyang ron ti tlat mai ani le kang te kha tun tum news ata na kan han react thei chuani video lai mule theu don yo